Welcome back, everyone. It's Kaden time. Today I am going to make a peanut butter and honey sandwich. First, I'm going to put some honey. I'm spreading out the honey so the honey can go everywhere in the bread. Now I have to take a different spoon and put some peanut butter inside. On this lid. I'm going to close it. Then I'm going to bring it to the toaster. Then put it in. Then you have to close it. And wait until the red light turns green. I'm going to close the lid while we're waiting. It's ready. Now I'm going to take the lid out and put it on the plate. And don't forget to unplug the, whatever this is called, the toaster. Now I want to wait a bit because it's too hard to eat. And move it on this side. Now I'm going to blow it so it can cool down faster. This dinner I made is so yummy. You should definitely try it for yourself. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to my channel. Bye.